Here's how to fix Roblox Error Code 280. So this error code is generally due to network issues or problems connecting to the Roblox game server. So what you can do is open settings, and then update and security, and go to Windows security, then firewall and network protection. You can try to temporarily disable all of these right here. And then the second solution is open the Windows PowerShell as admin. Click yes if you're prompted. And then what you can do is type this command here to flush your DNS. Then once it's successful, you can close this. Then try to open Roblox again. And if it still doesn't work, you can go to right click on Windows icon here, click on apps and features, search for Roblox, and then click uninstall, and then download it and reinstall it again, and it should work properly. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.